Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to source for in-depth reviews and recommendations on the latest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we've got something exciting in store for all you tech enthusiasts out there. The best nano drone with camera currently available in the market, the Lozenge HJ78RC drone. Let's dive right in. Introducing the Lozenge HJ78RC drone, a super compact and feature-packed drone that's perfect for beginners, kids, or anyone looking for some high-flying fun. This drone comes equipped with a 1080p HD camera and a host of other amazing features that make it stand out from the crowd. Now, let's talk about the key features that make the Lozenge HJ78RC drone the best in its class. With a wide-angle 1080p HD camera and a manually adjustable 90 degrees angle, this drone captures high-quality videos and clear aerial photos. Plus, the Wi-Fi real-time transmission FPV system allows you to connect your phone to the drone for a live video feed. Perfect for beginners and photography enthusiasts. The altitude hold mode allows you to lock the drone's height and location, ensuring stable and crisp HD pictures and videos. Get ready to strike a pose. The gesture control feature lets you interact with the camera, triggering photos and video recording with just a wave of your hand. The Lozenge HJ78 is not just about capturing great footage, it's also a versatile performer. It can execute cool stunts like circle fly and even follow a flight path you draw on your smartphone app, the latest in drone technology. Whether you're a kid or a beginner, this drone has you covered. It offers gravity sensor mode, headless mode, one-key start, landing, return, emergency stop, and 3-speed mode adjustments, making it incredibly user-friendly. It's important to consider what others have experienced with this product. One customer mentioned it's great for the price but noted that it may not be as automated as advertised. Another user found it awesome, especially after figuring out the start button. Some reviewers mentioned that it's suitable for beginners but can be affected by wind when used outdoors. Keep in mind that while it's affordable and user-friendly, it's not meant for professional photography. In conclusion, the Lozenge HJ78RC drone is the best nano drone with camera you can get your hands on. It's affordable, packed with features, and perfect for beginners and kids who want to experience the thrill of flying a drone. Just remember, it's a fantastic entry-level drone, but if you're a pro looking for top-tier camera quality, you might want to explore other options. That wraps up our review of the Lozenge HJ78RC drone. If you're interested in this product, you can find it on Amazon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all our latest reviews here at Product Critique. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.